Over a decade ago, a strong commitment to providing progressive solutions to agricultural needs drove McHale to pioneer a system that brings baling and wrapping into a league of its own. A compact system that achieves optimum utilization of a single operator and machine. This machine was the McHale Fusion. Over the last number of years, the McHale Fusion has become the machine of choice and is noted worldwide for its reliability, unique patented bale transfer, vertical wrapping ring and high output. McHale have further enhanced the Fusion integrated baler wrapper machine by introducing the Fusion 3. The McHale Fusion 3 is a robust integrated system and has been carefully developed to draw on the proven aspects of the Fusion 2, while also introducing a number of new features. One of the most noticeable features of the Fusion 3 is that it looks completely different to its predecessor. The new specially designed twin skin panels give the machine a modern, progressive look. The panels are durable and able to withstand the rigors of the modern farming situations, such as scratches, bangs and impacts in its working environment. So the panels have been designed and tested with this in mind. The panel design used on the Fusion 3 has previously been incorporated into the V660 variable chamber balers and the F5000 fixed chamber range of balers, which are already established in the market. From a safety point of view, LED lights are now also fitted as standard to the Fusion 3. The two-piece panel design allows high levels of accessibility for routine maintenance and reduces chaff and material build-up on the machine. When an operator needs access to the spare rolls of film, this is now very convenient. Additional pivoting film roll holders have been added to the machine to allow for more film roll storage capacity. Where the new panels cover the sides of the machine, the Fusion 3 also benefits from a new platform on the front of the machine, which gives the operator better access to the netter unit and other machine features. The new platform provides for easier storage of a spare roll of net wrap. The new guide rails are fitted to ensure maximum operator safety. The new platform also incorporates the baler door locking tab, which should be activated when conducting work on the machine. One of its most significant features on the McHale Fusion 3 is its patented bale transfer, which delivers higher output and superior reliability. During operation, once the bale is formed, the machine pauses on the swath, allowing the net to be applied. The bale chamber splits horizontally, raising the top section upwards, while the lower section tips rearwards simultaneously, ejecting the bale into the wrapping ring. This is a McHale patented bale transfer system in which the lower section of the bale chamber doubles as a transfer and means the bale passes directly from the bale chamber into the wrapping position. This eliminates the need for additional handling between the baler and the wrapping system and consequently reduces time and the possibility of handling errors. The bale transfer pivot is located directly above the axle, and as a result, the bale travels from the chamber in a smooth motion to the wrapping platform, even when travelling downhill. When working on hillsides, the two side walls of the lower section of the bale chamber keep the bale aligned as it transfers to the wrapping position. This clever system minimizes bale side travel even when working on the sides of hills. Quick timing is another vital element of this process, and the transfer takes place in the same movement as opening and closing the chamber door. After netting in normal working conditions, the bale transfer occurs as the chamber is opening and closing. This ensures that the machine delivers the same throughput as a normal baler. After extensive testing, it was decided that all machines in the Fusion 3 range would be fitted with a 2-meter galvanized high-intake pickup. The Fusion 3 range is fitted with a 5-time bar pickup system, which is estimated to give 25% better ground cleaning and 25% more crop transfer when compared with 4-bar systems. A new optional small diameter high throughput crop roller is also available for the Fusion 3 baler range. This crop roller helps to level out uneven swaths and has the ability to increase baler throughput. As crop passes through the high-capacity pickup, it moves through the feed rotor. The feed rotor, or chopping unit, boasts a heavy-duty rotor and comb. The rotor on all Fusion 3 machines is welded on both sides for superior strength, and on the drive side, the rotor is fitted with a double-row bearing with a long service life. On the Fusion 3, the knives can be raised and lowered from the tractor cab to make chopped or unchopped bales in line with the operator's preference. The operator has the option to upgrade the chopper unit on the machine to a selectable knife system which provides 3 options: engage and chop with a bank of 11 knives or with a bank of 12 knives. Should fine chopping be required, the operator can choose to engage both knife banks, which will give a 23 knife chopper system, capable of delivering a chop length of approximately 46 millimeters. To ensure that the machine always delivers a good chop quality, a monitoring system has been put in place on the Fusion 3. Firstly, knife working pressure is monitored and displayed on the control box. If the knife pressure becomes too high or too low, audible and graphic alarms are activated to notify the operator. Secondly, a sensor monitors the distance between the top of the knife and the spine on the rotor. If the knife moves out of position for any reason, the operator is notified via the control box. At the heart of this machine is the highly reliable electronic control system, which provides clear indicators on machine performance. The McHale Fusion 3 is a fully automatic baler wrapper, so once the initial setting for the job is done by the operator and the machine starts to work, the baling and wrapping process is fully automatic, and the operator simply has to stop the tractor when the bale full beeper sounds and give the machine enough time to transfer the bale. Once the bale chamber is closed, the operator can continue to bale, and the machine will automatically wrap the bale on the back. This high-speed vertical wrapping ring can apply 4 layers of film in approximately 20 seconds, or 6 layers of film in 30 seconds. The low-maintenance wrapping system ensures an even overlap of film, even if the machine is working on difficult or bumpy terrain. The wrapping ring design ensures greater wrapping accuracy and overlap over what can be achieved with twin dispenser machines, where the dispensers tend to bounce in these conditions, and can also cause plastic breakages. The ever-efficient wrapping process is always completed ahead of the baler, meaning that the wrapping platform is always ready and waiting to capture the ejected bale. The machine contains a number of innovative McHale features. The cut-and-hold system quickly and neatly gathers the film together at one point where it is cut and held. Its inbuilt film break sensors, which immediately detect if the film breaks or runs out on either dispenser, alerts the operator in the cab and automatically switches to single dispenser mode. When the remaining roll runs out, it signals the driver, who stops the wrapping process to load the new film rolls. With its rear wrapping roller moving downwards, the Fusion 3 places its tightly wrapped bale gently on the ground. With the optional side tip, a bale can be rotated 90 degrees and placed on its end, thereby reducing stalk damage from crops such as alfalfa. A slip clutch protection on the PTO protects the main drive chain should a blockage occur. The sound of the slip clutch alerts the operator, who can then hydraulically lower the floor from the tractor cab and feed the blockage through. The floor can then be reset and baling can resume. Because of its automatic progressive greasing system, served by a specially designed dual pump, all the main bearings automatically receive a measured amount of pressurized grease in sequence. The chains are also oiled through the dual pump. The Fusion 3 uses the McHale tried and trusted pivot stretch netter system, which delivers optimum net stretch and maximum bale coverage. The Expert Plus control console, when combined with the load sensing valve on the Fusion 3, is capable of making baler and wrapping operation fully automatic. In addition, its lube check alarm reminds the operator to check the grease and oil levels, while forage chop length can be adjusted using the selectable knife option. When working on uneven terrain, the automatic cycle override allows the operator to tip a bale in a suitable location. When baling hay or straw, the bale-only cycle eliminates the wrapping ring, allowing the operator to leave two bales together for easier collection. Similar to the McHale Fusion 2, the Fusion 3 is manufactured using the same range of top-quality components. The Fusion 3 is driven by a tried and tested split-drive gearbox, which provides for optimal power distribution through short transfer paths. High-quality, heavy-duty chains ensure reliable operation all around the machine. The 1.23 by 1.25 metre bale chamber is formed by 18 heavy-duty rollers with 50 mm heavy-duty shafts. Auto-greasing reduces any problems with bearings, and its 8-stud heavy-duty axle with brakes ensures it stands up to the most testing terrain. The McHale Fusion is now an established machine on the world market. McHale Fusions can be seen working in every grass market around the world. The latest model, the McHale Fusion 3, will further build on this reputation. McHale's commitment to quality and delivering reliable machines shows respect for returning customers and new customers alike. Buying a Fusion 3 means investing in a product that performs both reliably and economically. The McHale Fusion 3 surpasses alternative all-in-one systems with its compact size, superior maneuverability, unique patented bale transfer and vertical wrapper, making it a #1 choice for the serious contractor or farmer.